Okay, everyone, welcome to Andy's Oddities again today. This is our 1999 Volkswagen Rialta camper. I'll give you a quick little showing of it. So it's a 1999 Volkswagen. It's got the VR6 in it. Put a lot of work into this since we got it. We bought it last year in Vermont. Put new hubcaps on it. New refrigerator flue vent, put that on it. Put new air springs in the back. Try to do all the work myself. Rear brake calipers, brake pads, recocked around the window. I put up this rubber gutter thing from 3M to try to, I had a water leak on the inside. Turns out water was coming down and upwicking and inside. So once I sealed this all the way up because the caulking was old, that solved that problem. But this is it from the side. Went up on the roof and redid all the seams up there. It's nice, it's two-piece aluminum roof. What's nice about this one is that the lady we bought it off of, she had a brand new generator installed and didn't use it, and it's awesome. It works great. It's a 3,000 watt inverter generator, super quiet, runs great. I got this from Harbor Freight. It's a folding hitch. Can't really fold with the bike rack on it though, but it's got a nice little trunk space, you know, for a bunch of stuff. It's kind of cluttered right now, but when you run it off a generator, you just plug the outlet, your main power cord, into a 30 amp outlet in there, and that powers the camper. Let's see. Yeah, so that's the back side. This side has the propane tank, which works great. You got a outlet outside, which is GFCI protected. Show you it's the cab. You know, both captain's chairs. Both chairs spin around and face the cab. The back of the camper, I mean. And they both have the armrests. So that's the cab. Here's the camper. I put this down. It also has a screen door, which is nice. Keep the mosquitoes out. This I just did that to block out the sun when you were camping. I got this at Walmart. So when we bought the camper, it originally had carpet, and I ripped out all the carpet over the winter time and laid down this linoleum, which I think it came out pretty nice for my first time, you know, doing something like this. Thought it came out decent. I wrapped it around the battery compartment. I used this like 3M floor adhesive. It's like rubber molding for that. I took the refrigerator panel off, this panel and the bathroom door off, and repainted those because they were kind of like this color, like a nicotine color. So it kind of matches everything else that's gray in here. But it has a little refrigerator. It gets down to 20 degrees if you crank it up on the highest setting. So it will freeze things. Yeah, it's got a nice microwave. That's a coffee filter. It has this huge, like 2-foot wide sky dome, which is pretty cool. I was just checking to see if I was recording. Yeah, there's plenty of nice cabinets. This is nice too. This is a folding table. So you have the nice folding table. That chair spins around. This chair also spins around. And then I do have the bucket chair that sits right here. I just since I just put the linoleum down, I didn't poke the holes through and bolt it down, but I do have that chair, which is kind of cool too, because then you can eat dinner inside. I also have the adapter for the table here. I didn't screw it to the floor. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in because there's a table under here. Right here, which sits right here, but we're not really in here too often, so I honestly don't know if I want to put it on. This is an amazing little device I got on Temu. It's a little organizer thing, which works out good. Yeah, so it has 2 twin beds. As you can see, we have a little smart TV that we bring with us, but has plenty of storage. You know, this is just the Reflectix to cover up the sunroom at the sunlight at night. And then to cover up the vent. What else? Comes with a fantastic vent, which is really powerful and nice. I redid all the lights in here. So everything's LEDs inside and out. You know, they're dimmable. These have USB chargers at the bottom. They have a blue night light. You know, if you want a night light on at night. Where you can hold your finger down, they brighten, and then they dim. They can spin 180 or so you can have them as uplighting instead. If I can figure out how to get it on. There we go, yeah. So those are nice. These are all LED lights. It's got a nice powerful air conditioner. Wish the knobs were on this side, but they're actually on this side over here. Here's a view looking forward. And it has 2 larger cabinets here with coat hanger rods. I guess you could hang some shorts. I just use it for like storage and stuff. Same with this one. It's nice how the cabinets all fold down so they don't open when you're driving down the road. So the nice thing about this camper also is it's got a nice 2-burner stove. It's a nice 2-burner stove. Works great. Got a good sized sink. You know, it's got all the, you know, I just dumped a tank, so gray tank, black tank are empty, fresh tank's empty, batteries are good. This Volkswagen also, as you're driving down the road, the engine actually heats the coolant, and the coolant goes all the way back to the water heater. So it actually heats your hot water for you as you're driving. So when you get to the campground, if you want to take an outside shower or an inside shower, you have hot water, or wash your hands with hot water, which that's kind of nice. The only thing I hear sometimes you can get a coolant leak. Luckily ours are in good condition. You know, some of the hoses can get cracked over time and leak. Another cool thing about this camper is most campers have pop outs or slide outs. We have a slide in, so you can use the toilet like this, you know, if you have your curtains down, shades down. Has a shower, but you would push these 2 buttons in and you pull this out, and as you can see, it kind of makes like a slide out room, slide in room, and you still have room to get by. And now you have a lot bigger bathroom to actually, yeah, sit down and do your business or whatever. You can close the door. It also has a nice sink, and you drain it, you just fold it up and it drains into the gray tank. The shower actually drains into the black tank on this one. Yeah, so I changed all the lights. Shower, I did take one shower in here. I have a snap up shower curtain, and it's decent, it's doable. And then you slide this back. To take out a shower, you take out this shower pan, and yeah, there's your shower pan, and it drains. And this camper, it actually, you have to turn on a shower drain pump to suck the water down, because it needs to be pumped to a different, a higher point, so you need a pump. But yeah, so that's pretty much the inside. Got plenty of outlets, 12-volt outlets, 120 outlets. You got a little night light here, you know, for nighttime that you can put on. This is your main breaker panel right here. This is the hot water heater. I'll show you. So this is what the cab looks like. I did drill a hole through the bottom of the cigarette ashtray to stick my phone, so my phone fits perfect in there now. It does have rear AC and rear heat. And you can also, if your car battery dies in this, you can jump start your car with the coach batteries. But give it a start. Yeah, so it's got the VR6. I redid all the spark plugs, did the serpentine belt, I did new hydraulic steering tank and lines, new hydraulic steering pump, new water pump, new expansion ball valve, expansion tank, I mean, sorry. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I added this exterior light because it didn't have any lights on the outside. And I added the brightest LEDs, headlights I could find. It's a good little camper. If you can find one, pick one up. They're really nice, and I like having the twin bed option of this one. Well, that's it, guys. Until next time, have a good evening.